Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clint Johnson, and what we have today is a Pursuit 2870 Walkaround. Pursuit is well known for building really high quality boats. This specific boat has quite literally spent her whole life under cover and on a lift when not in use, and so even though she's a little bit older, she looks really, really nice. I know a lot of people are getting the center consoles, and I personally also, I do like the center consoles, but with these walkarounds, if you have enough room, and this one does, that you're not feeling like you're smashed as you go around, they do provide more covered area, and more people can get under that cover, so more protection, especially out in the Florida sun or the weather anywhere else. But Pursuit 2870, hard top on her, and the motors on this boat are interesting. They're not uncommon, but we'll get to those in a bit, since Yamaha does not make them anymore. Anyhow, let's hop on over. It's a large area back here. We have our token owl to scare off the birds, or at least attempt to. We do have our cockpit area. We'll get up there in a bit and then get on inside, take a look at that little Cuddy Cabin up there. But for right now, I'm kind of excited to show these motors. I've never had any, but from everybody I've talked to, forums I've read, one of the best motors ever, according to a lot of people. One of the best. No, I'm not saying the best, but a lot of people really like these 225 horsepower Yamaha Saltwater Series 2, and they are the OX66. They're 2-cycle, and I've heard they do eat a lot of fuel, but I hear they just pump out the horsepower, and they were very, very dependable. And this boat comes with 2 of them. Before we go on in here, I should have thought about it, but I was just telling you that there's a decent amount of room to walk around. I'm 5'11", tad over 200 pounds, and I can walk around this fairly easily compared to, a lot of boats out there. So, decent amount of room up here. People could still sit on top here of the Cuddy top here and go along for the ride if they want a little more air. But I just kind of wanted to prove that it's not so narrow that a full-size guy can't get around. It's pretty easy, not too bad. What we have here is the enclosure. It does zip all the way down, so you could have protection there or close it up when you're not there. But it does have 2 seats facing aft here as well, which is really nice. So you can sit and just watch behind you. One here, another one here for the helmsman, the captain. This specific boat is very large, and I think this is a 15-inch screen, so large touch screen on this boat. Tack readouts, speed, fuel management. Hey guys, this channel is sponsored by Tupperware rep Sailor Jen. Tupperware truly is the ultimate galley-ware for your boat, and it comes with a great warranty to boot. They are the ultimate source of high-quality, lightweight, low-rattle utensils, dishes, and cups for your boat or home. Furthermore, their unbeatable food storage containers are the only food storage devices approved for use by the U.S. military when they move military households. Don't have heavy and noisy galley-ware on your boat. and go high quality when trying to keep pesky bugs and moisture out of your food, especially on your boat. Go to sailorjen.com today, check out all of their offerings, and order up your new galleyware today. Email any questions to tupperware@sailorjen.com. Thank you, and remember that your order helps out this channel. As we get down inside this little cuddy, you know, this would do everything that you need for a weekend out. You know, you could put out an anchor, you went out fishing or exploring, whatever you're doing. You could easily have 2 people lay there in comfort. You got your sink. There is a refrigerator there. We will get down below, take a quick look. But I mean, this is only a 28-foot boat. So got your hatch so you can get some good air. Hatches there, and another one here on the starboard. Lighting. And it does have a head. And nicely, it's facing forward, and most people should be able to sit and do business in this head. Like I said, this boat does come with a small refrigerator. And then down below you have another cushion for one additional person who sleep, or you just have a whole lot of storage. So definitely not a massive boat, but perfect for going out there and just cruising up and down rivers, lakes, intercoastal, that sort of thing. Just getting out, enjoying the sun and having a good time. Alrighty guys, I know this was a short one, but I appreciate your time. I hope you liked this boat. Smash that like button. It really does. It helps the channel. Hit the subscribe button so you can be notified. I'll continue doing this. I am a yacht broker, so we're consistently adding boats. So there'll be more and more boats coming. All kinds of different boats, sailboats to power boats to large yachts, all of them. So you know, you're going to get to see a whole wide range of boats. And you know, I've looked around some other channels, and you see people going around and going to boat shows and just showing you new boats. What we're going to do on this show, we're going to show you all kinds of years, makes, models of boats. So I appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time.